Hello my friends, in today's episode on Grainificent, I will be talking about what is a TLR film camera. In this little mini series of short videos, I am explaining the basic types of film cameras so you know what you can get. So this is a TLR. TLR stands for twin lens reflex. Like the name suggests, you got twin lenses. Always, every TLR has two lenses on it. You may ask, what's the purpose of it? If I can have a SLR or rangefinder camera or something like that? Well, the main advantage of these is that they contain in a small body. They are for medium format film. I will be talking more about medium format in another video, so please remember to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss it. That's basically their main advantage. That's what they were mostly made for, to take medium format photos in a small body. This is not as small as a point and shoot. It's going to be hard to put it in your pocket, right? But as you see, compared to an SLR film camera for 35mm film, it's already smaller in some sense, more easier to carry than a 35mm film camera. And this is as well a medium format film camera. You can see that it's quite bigger, much heavier than this, and you wouldn't believe it, but this is a smaller format film camera than this. This takes 6 by 4.5 centimeters negatives. This is a square format taking 6 by 6 negatives. So I will be talking about differences in medium format sizes in the video about medium format photography. But here, just showing you the difference, the advantages of a TLR. You see, it's smaller but takes larger film photographs. And for example, this Mamiya here. And the other downside to its small size is, of course, most of them don't allow you to change the lenses, so you're stuck with the lenses that are already on it. How a TLR works is when you're focusing, you move both lenses at the same time. As you see, when I move the focus knob, both lenses come out and go back in. So how the light works entering this type of film camera is through the top lens. This is the viewfinder lens. The light goes in, bounces off of a mirror, and comes out this way for you to compose your image, right? When you're done composing and you want to take the photo, well, the photo is taken by the bottom lens. For here, you just pull the shutter lever here, and with this button, you take a photo. And that's it. And it lets in light directly onto the film plane back here. So that's basically the way the TLR film camera works. Light enters the top lens, bounces up for you to compose. You look through the top lens. The bottom lens is the photo taking lens. Light enters and lands on the film plane right away. And as you would see by this, one of the advantages of these cameras are they are much quieter than regular film cameras, because as you see, this, when you take a photo, it's just like that. When you take a photo with the Mamiya, it's like that. Some people want a quieter camera. So that, my friends, is how a TLR twin lens reflex camera works. So thank you for watching, my friends. If you like this video, please hit the like button so you help with the YouTube algorithm. And if you like film related content, then please hit the subscribe button and that little bell button right beside it so you're notified whenever a new video comes out. So thank you for watching, my friends. See you in the next video. Take care.